Welcome. In this lab, you will complete the tasks listed on your screen. In the Azure portal, search for and select Disks. Click Create. Provide the project and disk details. Click Change Size. Use the Disk SKU menu to set the disk type and size to standard HDD and 32 GB respectively. Click Review and Create, and then create the disk. This task is now complete. In this next task, you'll navigate to the resource group used in the previous task. Select the newly created. In the toolbar, click Move, and then select Move to another resource group. Select the second resource group. When the validation status says Succeeded, click Next. Select the checkbox to acknowledge that tools and scripts associated with moved resources will not work until updated with new resource IDs. Now click Move. Refresh the page. The disk resource has been removed from the first resource group. Next, confirm that it was moved to the second resource group. The disk resource is now in the second resource group. This task is now complete. Click the screen to continue. In this next task, you will apply a resource lock to an Azure resource group containing a disk resource, and then test the lock. Search for and select Disks. Create a new disk. Provide the project and disk details. Select a different resource group than the ones used in the previous task. Set the disk type and size as before. Proceed to create the disk. In the left pane, click Add. Give the lock a name, and then set the lock type to Delete. Click OK. In the left pane of the resource group blade, select Overview. Select the disk you created earlier in this task. In the toolbar, click Delete. Confirm that you want to delete the selected resources by typing Yes in the box. Next, click Delete. An error message appears, notifying you that the delete operation failed. Now, you'll try to modify the same disk resource. In the left pane, under Settings, change the disk type and size to Premium SSD and 64 GB. Click Resize to apply the change. Verify that the change was successful, since the resource group level lock applies to delete operations only. This interactive lab simulation is now complete.